The Modern Agile Workshop is a deep dive into the 4 guiding principles of Modern Agile. Make people awesome, make safety a prerequisite, experiment and learn rapidly, and deliver value continuously. In the workshop, we really give you a sense for people and organizations that demonstrate what we think of as agility, meaning to move with quick, easy grace, large batches of work that take a long time to complete, and small batches of work that take a short time to complete. We're going to have you experience that so you deeply understand what does this important principle actually mean. You're going to learn evolutionary design, and you're going to get a really deep experience of it so you can go back and say, I know how to apply evolutionary design to my work. You're going to learn about psychological safety, and you're going to learn a few ways to handle conflict. When you're finished with the workshop, you have a much deeper sense of what all 4 of the Modern Agile principles mean, and you are far more equipped to apply those principles to yourself, to your team, to your department or organization. So a lot of pragmatic learning associated with these kind of guiding principles. If you're interested in learning more about the Modern Agile Workshop or any other workshops provided by Industrial Logic, please go to industriallogic.com/training.